Zombie apocalypse.
Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Young channel. I am Happy. Today we want to unbox the GOO GOO BIRD. Okay, this is the Cute Dino version 2. Okay, I want to say to you something. If you didn't see the version 1, you can go to here, okay, to see. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Okay, hope you like it, enjoy it. Okay, let's go to open, unbox and installation. Let's go. After open, it got many things. Okay, I would like to introduce to you. The first one I will introduce is this, the Cute Dino version 2 support panels. This is the dino eye and mouth. Can you see? Okay, this is very large. Okay, got two. Okay, let's go to the next one. A slide panels. Okay, as usual, the slide series also always got the slide panels. Okay, look like this. Okay, let's go to the next one. Slide panels, support panels. You see, got two. Okay, just make sure that you got this thing. Okay, because these two or yellow color one, the additional. The slide additional panels, support panels. Okay, let's go to the next one. The staircase. It got three staircase. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Got a basketball. Okay. Basketball hoop. And a pack of screw, and also a slide additional panels, and two last things, a sticker and can you see? This is the installation guide paper. It's small. Okay, same as my hand. Okay, let's go to the screw section. Let's go. Boom. Okay, let's start. It got 9 type. Wow, very 9 type of screw. The first screw I would like to introduce is this. No, it's 8 only. Okay, -1. This is the A screw. Can you see? A screw. It got 7 A screw. That is the B screw. It looks like this. I will call it B screw. Then the C screw is a special one. Is this the metal one? Okay, this I will call it a C screw. Only one. B screw got 3. And the A screw got 7. Okay, 7, 3, 1. Then the next one is this, D screw, square. Okay, I will call it D screw. Okay, I put it first. Then the most many one is this. You see, it look like this. Okay. I will call it E screw. Okay, it is E screw. Got 21. 21. Okay, I am sure. It's 21. Okay. The next one is A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Then the next one is F. Okay. It's this. Look like this. Yeah. Sorry. This is for the empty slip. Okay. Got rubber. This is rubber. Then the last two. No, it's last three. It's this. Rectangle. Got two. I will call it A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is G screw. The rectangle one is G. This is the H. It's more big one. H. Got two. And the last one is the screwdriver. Look like this. Got only one. It's free one. Okay. Now I'm already finished the introduction, and now we are going to installation guide. Okay, let's go. The first step we want to do is to take this. What is this? What is this? Slide panels. Okay, right. And the additional slide panel, yellow color and green color, you put it together like this. Okay, then use the C screw to lock. Assistant, please, C screw. Thank you. The special one, metal. Can you see? Okay, you just lock it inside like this. Assistant, the camera please. After that, you will just look like this. Okay, let's go to the second part. The second part is, let's take the green color one. The green color support panels, can you see? And put it here. Here got a rectangle, can you see?
Here is go back.
Rectangle. Okay, look like this. You will see the non-pattern side facing inside. Just put it like this. This pattern. Okay, after putting it looks like this. Then you take the, thank you. What is this screw?
E screw.
Okay, E screw. Screwdriver please. Oh, here. Here is it. The screwdriver that we use is to lock. Okay. First one is done, then the second one. Two sides also you should make it, okay? Okay, I will tell you the next step first. Okay? You take this, the yellow color one, okay, and put it at here. Okay, also using the A screw to lock. Okay? Let's go! This is the final after doing. Can you see? Look at this. Now, I tell you a tips, okay? Here, it got right L. Can you see? L. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. L. Then here got R. Okay. R. It means what? Left and right. Now you can do it easily, right? Okay. Let's go to the next step. Next step is here. You see a hole. You need to attach these two panels. Take me one. A, B, C, D, E. E screw 2, please. Okay, thank you. And the G screw. G screw. G screw 2. Thank you. Yes, thank you. I will tell you how. You put this, the rectangle at here, inside, and you lock it at what? At here, using this. Okay? The E screw using the E screw. Like this. Okay.
No.
Yeah, the next step is to take this, the cute nano motion 2 panels. Okay?
Oh.
Here, can you see? Here, see properly, which two hold this hole? Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. B
Better.
screw, please. B screw, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, take this B screw to lock it here. Okay. Then here got a hole, right? Right?
Right.
Now, the D screw is a square. You put it inside here. Okay. It's using this. Okay. The A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This G screw. Put it here.
Okay.
Then the next step is staircase. Then okay.
Okay.
You want to put it where? The first one, you put it here. Can you see this hole? Can you see?
Yes.
This hole. Using what screw to lock? The A screw. This A screw, please. Okay, very nice. Two more, please. This A screw to lock it here. Okay. Then you got 3 staircase, right? You must lock 3. Just put it here. Lock, lock, lock. Just put it here. Lock, lock, lock. Then the another side is the same. Okay, the another side is the same thing. You take this and put it here. Then also the same thing, using the A screw to lock here. You lock here. Lock here. Okay.
And no finish.
And the B screw to lock here. Here using what? Very easy. The square one and the big one. You see?
Yes, of course.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay. Yes.
Is it finished?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Why?
Because I don't know.
The
Sticker.
You put the ice on here. Now I will not put it, okay? And the last thing you want to do. It's not the last, but we want to do it. It's this basketball hook. You just put it here. And lock it using what? This. You see? B screw. Lock it inside. Then the basketball hook is done. Put it inside. Okay. And just now I said it will give you the rubber, right? Let's see. Where should I put it? Aha! You see here? Dun 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 dun. Put it inside. Put it inside. Put it inside. Put it inside. Okay. Is it done now?
Nope.
Why?
Sticker.
Nope.
Hmm.
I didn't put a sticker now.
The F.
Oh, I think. And now this thing is success. Good name. Okay, let's go to see some pictures or videos. If you didn't see the version 1, this is version 2, right? If you didn't see the version 1, you can click there to see. Okay, there to see pictures or videos. Let's go. Before my video ends, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you subscribe, thank you. If you didn't subscribe, I will teach you later, okay? Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye. Now I teach you how to subscribe. Okay, let's go. First, you scroll down and you will see a subscribe button. Click it and click the bell also so that you can see my new video when I post new video. Okay? Also click on the good like, also share. Bye bye.